To update your SimplyNUC De-Feedback computer to the latest global settings, download the complete update file from the Alpha Labs De-Feedback website onto your machine. Make sure you download the correct version based on the machine you purchased, whether the option 1 or option 2 Pro. Once downloaded, unzip the files. There should be a .iso file and a .exe file. At this point, you need to have a 16 GB or 32 GB USB flash drive. Other sizes of flash drives will not work for technical reasons. Plug in the flash drive and then open the Rufus application. Make sure the flash drive is selected. Then select the .iso file. Rufus may prompt you to update itself. That's fine. Just let it do its thing. Select FAT32 as the format, and leave everything else as is. Once it is happy, then select Start. It may prompt you with scary warnings about dangerous files and malware. Ignore these. Once it completes, make sure you have deactivated your current De-Feedback license on the machine. Then restart and hold down F12 on the option 1 machine, or F10 on the option 2 Pro machine. It will enter the SimplyNUC Updater environment, and all you have to do is click the green Go button and click through any pop-ups. Once it is done, the machine will restart. When the screen turns black, quickly remove the USB stick before the machine reboots to avoid re-entering the update loop. Or simply close out of the update environment if it re-enters the loop with the USB stick still plugged in. Then, reactivate your De-Feedback license.